name is Mashariki, pronounced Mashariki, or Mashariki, MasharikiI. She's the life of the party. They call her Mashariki. Left-handed and witty, they call her Mashariki. Some close ones call her Mosh. They say, oh my gosh, it's Mosh, like the lettuce. So let us take a second to speak your piece. Mashariki in the house, dropping her speech. Thanks, guys.